Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate haupia pie. Chocolate haupia pie is an onolicious sweet dessert that is made from coconut and sweet chocolate. Everyone in Hawaii has had a taste of Ted's Bakery's famous haupia pie. Get ready to make a version that is quite similar to it. Here are the following ingredients. This recipe is enough to make 2 pies. First, make the crust. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. I like to have the crust made of graham crackers. Mix together the finely ground graham crackers, sugar, melted butter, and cinnamon. Mix it well. Then press the mixture into an 8 or 9-inch pie plate. Bake it for 7 minutes. Next, in a bowl with cold water, mix together the cornstarch. Make sure the cornstarch has dissolved thoroughly. In a medium saucepot, add in coconut milk, and sugar. Mix it well over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Then add in the cornstarch mixture and stir it until it becomes thick. In the meantime, melt the chocolate chips in a glass bowl using the microwave. Be careful not to burn the chocolate. In 10-second intervals, make sure it has properly melted. Then add in half of the coconut mixture to the chocolate. Set aside the rest of the coconut mixture for later use. Make sure to thoroughly mix the chocolate and coconut. Lastly, make the whipped cream. In a large bowl, combine heavy cream and sugar. Beat the cream until it starts to form stiff peaks. Be careful to not overmix it. If it looks like it was overmixed, simply add in about a tablespoon of the heavy whipped cream. Fold it into the mixture using a rubber spatula. If the mixture starts to come out in lumps, just keep going because you're making butter at this point. You'll need to start over to make whipped cream. Start to assemble the pie. Add in the chocolate layer first. Spread it out evenly. Then add in the coconut layer. And spread it out. Lastly, top it off with the whipped cream. Let it chill in the fridge for about an hour or overnight. Cut out the slices and serve it chilled. Garnish it with chocolate or coconut shavings and enjoy this onolicious chocolate haupia pie. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!